Hello friends, in this session we discuss some MCQs about staining of bacteria. Question number 1. In fluorescent microscope, the source of illumination is A. Gamma rays, B. X-rays, C. UV rays and D. Electrons. We know that in the fluorescent microscope the source of illumination is UV rays. Negative staining is used for demonstration of spirochetes, demonstration of gram-negative bacteria, demonstration of capsule or demonstration of cell membrane. The correct answer is C, demonstration of capsule. You can see in this figure the background is stained, the cell is also stained, but the capsule is not stained and the capsule looks bright compared to the dark background. This is called negative staining. The example of negative stains are A. Indian ink, B. Nigrosin, C. Safranin and D. both A and B. The correct answer is D. both A and B. Indian ink and nigrosin both are examples of negative stain. Question number 4. Impregnation method is used for demonstration of A. cell wall, B. flagella, C. cytoplasmic membrane and D. DNA. The correct answer is B. flagella. Mordant used in gram staining is A. phenol, B. tannic acid, C. potassium permanganate and D. iodine. The correct answer is iodine. In gram stain, iodine acts as a mordant. Following decolorizers can be used in gram staining except A. ethanol, B. acetone, C. acetone alcohol and D. sulfuric acid. So gram staining में alcohols can be used as decolorizers and acetone can be used as decolorizers, as well as a mixture of both can also be used as decolorizer. So alcohol, acetone or a mixture of both, all three options are suitable decolorizers for gram stain. Acid is not used for gram stain decolorization, so the correct answer here is D. sulfuric acid. Just a point to note, alcohol is a slow decolorizer, so it will take little longer to decolorize, and acetone is a very fast decolorizer, so acetone will decolorize very fast. So just a few drops, 2 or 3 drops of acetone will decolorize the slide very fast, but alcohol it might take up to 30 seconds to decolorize, and if you put acetone in just 2 to 3 seconds it might get decolorized. So one is very fast and one is very slow. So we use a mixture of both, acetone and alcohol both half, so that it about 10 to 15 seconds में एक gradual speed में decolorization होता है, not very slow, not very fast, right? Question number 7. Following are the special stains used for bacteria except A. Ponder, B. Neisser, C. Albert and D. methylene blue. So सिंपल स्टेन होता है, स्पेशल स्टेन होता है, डिफरेंशियल स्टेन होता है, सिल्वर इम्प्रेग्नेशन स्टेन होता है, नेगेटिव स्टेन होता है, फ्लोरेसेंट स्टेन होता है. ये सब अलग अलग स्टेन के टाइप्स हैं. मिथिलीन ब्लू में एक मिथिलीन ब्लू ही डालते हैं, तो वो दैट इज़ एन एग्जांपल ऑफ सिंपल स्टेन. और बाकी के 3 हैं पॉन्डर, नीजर और एल्बर्ट, वो तीनों कोरोनी बैक्टीरियम डिप्थीरिया के लिए स्पेशल स्टेन्स हैं. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज़ डी. मिथिलीन ब्लू. Following are the counter stains used in acid fast staining except A. malachite green, B. safranin, C. methylene blue and D. picric acid. तो एसिड फास्ट स्टेनिंग में जो प्राइमरी स्टेन है वो कार्बोल फ्यूशिन है, और कार्बोल फ्यूशिन से बैक्टीरियाज पिंक कलर के हो जाते हैं. तो प्राइमरी स्टेन अगर पिंक है तो आप काउंटर स्टेन तो पिंक यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, उन्हें सब कुछ पिंक ही दिखेगा. तो उस हिसाब से सैफ्रनिन कैन नॉट बी ए राइट आंसर. सैफ्रनिन कैन नॉट बी यूज एज अ काउंटर स्टेन इन एसिड फास्ट स्टेन, क्योंकि वो भी पिंक है. बाकी के 3 मेलेकाइट ग्रीन, मिथिलीन ब्लू और पिक्रिक एसिड, वो तीनों यूज़ कर सकते हैं एज डिकलराइजर्स इन एसिड फास्ट स्टेनिंग. मिथिलीन ब्लू जनरली यूज़ करते हैं, और मिथिलीन ब्लू से जब करते हैं तब बैकग्राउंड ब्लू दिखेगा और बेसिलाई पिंक दिखेंगे, जैसे ये फिगर में दिख रहा है. मेलेकाइट ग्रीन यूज़ करेंगे तो बैकग्राउंड ग्रीन दिखेगा और बेसिलाई पिंक दिखेंगे, और पिक्रिक एसिड यूज़ करेंगे तो बैकग्राउंड येलो और बेसिलाई पिंक. सो ऑल 3 are options as counter stains in acid-fast staining except B. Safranin. Following staining methods are used for demonstration of bacterial spores except A. Schaffer-Fulton spore stain, B. Albert stain, C. Modified Zeden stain, and D. Dorner stain. The correct answer here is B. Albert stain. Albert stain is a special stain used for Corynebacterium diphtheriae. And other three stains here, Schaffer-Fulton spore stain, Modified Zeden stain, and Dorner stain, all three are used for spores. In gram staining, bacterial spores may be seen as A. Colorless, B. Violet, C. Pink, and D. None of these. As you can see in this figure, this is a chain of bacilli. In that you can see the central spores are there and they are seen as colorless. The correct option is A. Colorless. In gram stain, spore are seen as colorless and bacterial capsule is also seen as colorless. So although they do not catch up the stain, but you can still point out that this is the spore or this is the capsule. So these are two such structures, spore and capsule, which do not catch up stain in gram stain, but although they can be demonstrated by gram stain. The correct answer here is A. Colorless. This is the answer key. Thank you.